Killian. This is Drifter Pale Ale.
Oh, thanks for letting me taste it. So this is the Pepsi taste. Two different beers. This one. This one it is. It's Larry's and Dick's Neighborhood Raw Bar and Grill. And on the menu, it's so cool. I don't know if you can see it. It says, your catch. So this is your fish, you catch it, you fillet it, you clean it, and we cook it, blackened, grilled, mesquite, grilled, or fried. Sandwich or platter comes with all the trimmings and fries. The maximum is 10 ounces per order, and it's $8.99, but it's your fish that you catch out of the ocean. That is so freaking cool. I've got to come back. I got to go fishing. I got to bring them my fish so they can cook it for me. This is paradise for sure. Wow. This one. There you go. Thank you. Questa birra è per Andrea nel Mexico. This is my friend Andrea.
Oh yeah?
That's for him. He likes that.
Yeah. I'm sure he's enjoying it.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. So whenever I'm in Las Vegas, my friend Andrea asks me to go out with for a beer with him, and it's always a dark ale. So as I'm here in Florida, I thought I'd try this dark ale. And you know what? It's really good, especially when you're riding for 20 kilometers and you come across these amazing little neighborhood raw oyster bar friendly places that just serve up great food. Okay, well thank you.